Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video today I am going to show how to get single name or one word name on your Facebook account without VPN or login in another third party apps. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. Firstly, open your Facebook Lite applications, then go to the menu bar. Here you will see the settings and privacy options. Just tap on this. After that you will get another settings options, then you can see it. After that you have to click on this, and here you will see your account centers options. Then tap on this. Here you will see your profiles and your profile's personal details. Just tap on the arrow sign. After clicking on the arrow sign, here you will see your Facebook and your Instagram account. Then here you have to tap on the Facebook options because you need to change your Facebook name. Then here you will see the two options. First one is name option and second one is username options. Here you have to delete your first name and last name also. I just remove my name, then I need to input which I want to include on my Facebook account. Then here you will see the preview change options. Just tap on the review change options. But you can see there is no another technique which you can follow, and if you will follow this technique, then you will get the one word name on your Facebook account. So just stay with me and don't skip the video and go back to your menu bar. So now I am going to back to my menu bar, and here you will see lots of options about your profile, but here you need to find one option which you change, and that is language and region. Then you can see the options, you need to find it, and after that you have to click on these options. Here you need to change your language, and that is will be Tamil language. So it's hard to find, but you have to find, and I just marked it. You can see which language, and guys, you can see this. I find this language and I have to select this language. Just stay with me. Guys, you can see the marked language. You have to find this and you have to click on the language. Then you can see this type of interface and you can see this type of language. So here you need to tap on the first options. If you don't understand, just follow my video, then you can understand. So here you can see the another options. You have to tap on the arrow sign, and here you will see the your first option and Facebook account. Then you can see your Instagram account also, but for changing name you have to tap on the Facebook name, and here you will see the first option, and that is name option. You have to tap on this. After that, here you have to apply one technique. Now I am showing it. So firstly you have to remove your first name and last name also. So I just removed my first name and last name also, and right now in the first name box you have to type one symbol, and just watch it carefully. Just you have to type on the space symbol, nothing else, just a space symbol. Then after that you will see your middle name and last name also. So you have to tap on the middle name box, just one name which you want to include on your Facebook account. In the last name also you have to type the same name which you want to include on your Facebook account. Don't use different name, otherwise it will not work. So here you will see the review change option will be enabled. After that you have to tap on the review change options. Then here you will see your one word name and you will find it. Then in the last options you have to select your one word name. Don't select the two name, you have to select the one word name. So I just select my name, because I want to add single name on my account. Then here you will see the submitted options. Then you have to tap on the submit options for adding one word name on your Facebook account or single name on your Facebook account. I just click on these options. Now I have one another technique because of I already changed my language on my device, so I not just so right now I need to change these options because I already added single name on my Facebook account. And in the same way I just going to region and language options, and I just select the device language options. You can see the single name already added on my Facebook account. In this way you can get also the single name on your Facebook account. If you have any question, write on comments box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.